Today we'll talk about how can you create private video on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you to create on your Dailymotion app. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click in this sign. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go down here, you come here to private videos, click in this sign. So then here can you just click here on with using the app, and here can you add new video here. Then it's going to create video here, new private video on your app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by